actually sa malamig at refreshing na climate.
Tama, whether you're looking for a weekend getaway or permanent home, this one-bedroom unit offers everything you need. Perfectly situated with easy access at breathtaking views ng Tagaytay.
At ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin ang mga amenities. This property has it all. Dive into relaxation sa pool area or unwind sa amenity deck. At sa mga mahilig mag-exercise, the fitness area is perfect for your workouts.
Need a place to host an event? Function room ay perfect para sa mga gatherings plus may commercial area para sa shopping at dining needs mo. At syempre, meron din guaranteed parking with a parking ratio.
Spacious, elegant, at thoughtfully designed. This 52 to 72 square meter unit ay perfect para sa mga gustong magkaroon ng komportableng lifestyle.
This kitchen ay sleek at functional.
Equipped with an induction hob, range hood at grease trap. Plus, ang modern cabinets at white paint finishes ay nagbibigay NG fresh at clean look sa space.
At dito ang bedroom. Imagine waking up the cool, refreshing Tagaytay weather every morning.
Ready for ultimate